National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Wyndham County in northern Connecticut, southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, west central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Washington County in Rhode Island, northwestern Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 9 a.m. At 8:05 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Brooklyn, or near Plainfield, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Providence, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, Taunton, East Providence, Woonsocket, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, Franklin, West Warwick, Johnson, North Attleborough, Milford, Plainfield, Attleborough, Smithfield, Lincoln, and Central Falls. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 a.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Middlesex and Worcester. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WMG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Monadnock and Peterborough, New Hampshire. The 7 a.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, fog 64. Freiburg, fog 64. Wisconsin, cloudy 66. Augusta, cloudy 65. Bangor, drizzle and fog were reported in 65. Eden County.
First warning of the day. Not even surprised.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for west central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in Rhode Island, Kent County in Rhode Island, northern Newport County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, northeastern Washington County in Rhode Island, until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:26 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Providence, Fall River, Warwick, Cranston, Pawtucket, East Providence, Coventry, Cumberland, North Providence, West Warwick, Johnston, North Kingstown, Bristol, Attleborough, Smithfield, Lincoln, Central Falls, Somerset, Portsmouth, and Barrington. Strong thunderstorms. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, north central Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 9:15 a.m. At 8:35 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Scituate, or near Coventry, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Providence, Cranston, North Providence, Johnson, Smithfield, Lincoln, Scituate, and Gloucester around 8:40 a.m. Pawtucket, Central Falls, Burteville, and North Smithfield around 8:45 a.m. East Providence, Cumberland, North Attleborough, and Attleborough around 8:50 a.m. Woonsocket, Seekonk, and Plainville around 8:55 a.m. Franklin, Bellingham, Rentham, and Blackstone around 9 a.m. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 9:15 a.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. This is no weather radar. Damaging tornado and quarter-size hail.
You're kidding, right?
Source: radar confirmed tornado near Scituate. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter.
There's just no way.
Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornado will be near Providence, Cranston, Providence, East Providence, Cumberland, North Providence,
Alright, just
Johnson,
wait for it. How about I listen to this?
and Lincoln around 8:45 a.m. Woonsocket, North Attleborough, and Seekonk around 8:50 a.m. Bellingham, Rentham, Blackstone, and Plainville around 8:55 a.m. Franklin around 9 a.m. Norton around 9:05 a.m. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement, an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors,
I can't
in a
believe
mobile
it.
home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 9:15 a.m. for the following county: Worcester, Massachusetts. This is no weather radio station. NWS Boston has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, southwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, north central Kent County in Rhode Island, Providence County in Rhode Island, until 9:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:35 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Scituate or near Coventry, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Providence, Cranston, North Providence, Johnson, Smithfield, Lincoln, Scituate, and Gloucester around 8:40 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Pawtucket, Central Falls, Burteville, and North Smithfield around 8:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. East Providence, Cumberland, North Attleborough, and Attleborough around 8:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Woonsocket, Seekonk, and Plainville around 8:55 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Franklin, Bellingham, Rentham, and Blackstone around 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
A little late on relaying that.
All right, it's Carson and Kennedy on Mix 141. Obviously, we just got an alert from the weather service there with the EAS. There's some severe weather. Obviously, I don't need to repeat everything.
I think he was very thorough.
He was lengthy.
I think you're good.
Yeah,
So be careful out there.
yeah. They're talking about some tornadic activity down near Providence and then coming in towards Connecticut. It's looking, as I'm looking at the map right now, the Northridge area, kind of southwest of Worcester. It's just another
Southwest.
really bad area. It's all coming in from Connecticut, so please just be very safe out there this morning. We do have comedian Andrew Della Volpe, who is
My
hanging
brother,
out with
that
us
is
this morning. The
southeast,
weather
not
will be fine
southwest.
Tonight, you'll be able to hop on the roads and head into the city to Nick's Comedy Stop. 2 shows.
My brother, I believe you have your directionals mixed up, but there you have it. We have a tornado on the ground, as well as the FM relay. I can't believe it. That's wild.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Washington County in Rhode Island, Newport County in Rhode Island, southeastern Kent County in Rhode Island, southeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, Bristol County in Rhode Island, until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:50 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, thunderstorms were located along a line extending from West Warwick to Exeter to near Westerly, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fall River, Warwick, Taunton, East Providence,
What an idiot.
Middletown, Narragansett, Swansea, Tiverton, Westport, and Seekonk. Here is the official weather service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for West Central. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester County and central Massachusetts, northwestern Norfolk County and eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex County and northeastern Massachusetts until 9:45 a.m. At 8:55 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Hopedale or near Milford.
Hopedale? That's Hopedale to you, pal.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated.
Hopedale.
Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include New UN, Framingham, Waltham, Arlington, Marlborough, Natick, Lexington, Milford, Wellesley, Belmont, Acton, Winchester, Hudson, Westboro, Grafton, Concord, Sudbury, Ashland, Bellingham, and Northbridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 a.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Middlesex and Worcester. This is NOAA Weather Radio Station WNG 575, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.525 megahertz from Packlow, Nagnock, and Peterborough, New Hampshire. 8 a.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, fog 64. Freiburg, fog 65. Wiscasset, cloudy 66. Augusta, cloudy 65.
Might as well get the V1 going.
Reported with a temperature of 68.
What?
The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Plymouth County, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts,
Go off.
Western Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, and southeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Providence County in Rhode Island, and 10:15.
Pain in my ass radio.
North Attleborough, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, New UN, Somerville, Maldon, Brookline, Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, Arlington, Everett, Braintree, Chelsea, Cumberland, Randolph, Watertown, and Needham. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:15 a.m. for the following county: Middlesex, Massachusetts. The National Weather Service in Boston, Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
This thing is just starting to piss me off.
Central Massachusetts, northwestern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, southeastern Middlesex.
First flood warning just issued. Should be coming through any second.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central Massachusetts, Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Suffolk County in eastern Massachusetts, South Central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Central Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, Northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, Northern Providence County in Rhode Island until 11:45 a.m. At 9:18 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as...
Oh, but God forbid I plug the camera in and it would go haywire, but the phone's plugged in and it's fine.
Flash flooding include Boston, Cambridge, Brockton, Quincy, Lynn, New UN, Somerville, Framingham, Waltham, Maldon, Brookline, Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, and Woonsocket. The 9 a.m. weather observations across New England. At Portland, light rain and fog, 65. Freiburg, fog, 65. Wisconsin, cloudy, 66.
Holy, what a morning. And there's still apparently supposed to be an afternoon batch of strong to severe storms too. So we'll have to see how that goes. I knew it. I knew it. I looked at the radar and I said, I knew it. There it is over.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Norfolk County.
We're going over WWDX shortly as well.
At 9:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Mansfield, or near North Attleborough, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brockton, Taunton, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, North Attleborough, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Attleborough, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, Canton, Norton, Scituate, Pembroke, Sharon, Rockland, and Foxborough. Here is the official national...
That's why I put the HH on channel 4, because I just looked at the radar and I just said, that's rotation, and here we are.
South winds 10 to 15 knots with gusts up to 25 knots. Seas 2 to 4 feet.
What now? So we will now wait for this to be relayed over WWBX.
Heavy rain across...
There's the scroll again. Now we wait. Don't care, it's finally here. Be relayed in just a moment. Special marine warning? Don't care. Actually, maybe I do. I'll put it on the background.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northwestern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, northwestern Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts until 9:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:21 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Mansfield or near North Attleborough, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brockton, Taunton, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Attleborough, Stoughton, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Attleborough, Mansfield, Easton, Hingham, Canton, Norton, Situate, Pembroke, Sharon, Rockland, and Foxborough. If possible, keep away from ungrounded metal objects. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunder.
Alright, one thing I actually didn't notice until just then is that that tornado warning used for, I guess when they were generated it through WarnGen, they hit select list of cities rather than pathcast for that particular tornado warning. The one they issued earlier, this one, was just a regular, but let's see, cancel severe thunderstorm for Middlesex, Norfolk, Worcester. Okay, that was that one. Quite an interesting morning we got going on here.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for east central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until noon Eastern Daylight Time. Eastern Newport County in Rhode Island until noon Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:36 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms, flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include New Bedford, Brockton, Fall River, Plymouth, Taunton, Weymouth, Braintree, Dartmouth, Bridgewater, Marshfield, Marion, Middleborough, Easton, Hingham, Wareham, Bourne, Norton, Somerset, Situate, and Pembroke.
That was a 6-hour event by mistake.
The National
New tornado warning.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for east central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Holbrook or near Randolph, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brockton, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Stoughton, Marshfield, Hingham, Canton, Situate, Pembroke, Rockland, Abington, Whitman, Hanover, Holbrook, Norwell, Henson, Cohasset, and Avon. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 10:15 a.m.
Even more. I take Ibrance, palbociclib. Ibrance 125 milligram tablets with an aromatase inhibitor is for adults with HR.
The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a tornado warning for east central Norfolk County in eastern Massachusetts, northern Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts until 10:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:44 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located over Holbrook or near Randolph, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Brockton, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Stoughton, Mansfield, Hingham, Kenton, Situate, Pembroke, Rockland, Abington, Whitman, Hanover, Holbrook, Norwell, Henson, Cohasset, and Avon.
When it comes to furniture shopping, I tend to go to the same.
I want to figure out why with HD stations that like the actual HD alert on HD alert capability radios comes in before the same headers. I kind of find that interesting.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 12:45 p.m. At 10:03 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lowell, Lawrence, Haverhill, Peabody, Methuen, Salem, Billerica, Avonlea, Chelmsford, Andover, Dracut, Tewksbury, Gloucester, North Andover, Danvers, Reading, Wilmington, Westford, Newburyport, and Amesbury.
I love how Gray's phone me has like a Boston accent in it. That's funny as hell.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Worcester County in central.
Like it's funny because I have a Boston accent myself. Norton's BMH is just like regular American robotics stuff like that. But like it's just funny because Gray's BMH like Gloucester, Andover, it literally has the Boston accent built in, which is funny.
The National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for
What's that?
National Weather Service in Norton has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, northeastern Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 12:30 p.m. At 10:19 a.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly.
Ooh, considerably.
Storms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lawrence, Haverhill, Peabody, Methuen, Billerica, Beverly, Andover, Tewksbury, North Andover, Danvers, Reading, Wilmington, Newburyport, Amesbury, North Reading, Ipswich, Linfield, Middleton, Georgetown, and Boxford. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Worcester, northwestern Norfolk, and southeastern Middlesex counties is canceled. The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property.
Therefore, the warning has been cancelled. However, gusty winds are still...
possible
With this thunderstorm, I almost had it.
The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Middlesex County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area.
Therefore, the warning has been canceled. There we go.
The National National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 11:30 Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:23 Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over north Andover, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Expects damage to roofs.
I don't know why the major festival staff is not relaying, but
include North Andover, Denver, Newburyport, Middleton, Salisbury, Georgetown, Boxford, Hamilton, Newbury, Groveland, Topsfield, Raleigh, Wenham, West Newbury, and Essex. Medford, Taunton, Weymouth, Revere, Peabody, Arlington, Everett, Salem, and Billerica. This is no weather radio. To the flash.
there it is. A little late there.
Boston Norton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 11:30 a.m. At 10:23 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Boxford or near North Andover, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Andover, Danvers,
Wait, did it do it? Oh, I was gonna say.
Salisbury, Georgetown, Boxford, Hamilton, Newbury, Groveland, Topsfield, Raleigh, Wenham, West Newbury, and Essex. For your protection, move to an interior or local water of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. for the following county: Essex, Massachusetts. Northwest of Beverly, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazards include waterspouts and wind gusts 30 or greater. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Essex Bay, Plum Island, Ipswich Bay, and the mouth of the Merrimack River. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Norton.
Interesting. I don't know why. This is the trend I notice. If Gray is trying to relay a Norton warning, for some reason there is some sort of delay to it when it only includes one county. This happened with another alert that I missed that was a Norton alert but relayed off a Gray station like a couple days ago actually, I think. And I wasn't able to record it, but it took a while to relay it. So for some reason I think Gray just delays transmitting it if it's only one county, but if it's multiple then, or if it includes multiple counties, then it's like instant. So I don't know what that is. I don't know if that's right. I don't know what kind of philosophy that even is, but oh well. There you go. Comes a marine warning.
The radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 30 minutes. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to.
So they delayed on even their own warnings because I don't think this is an update.
Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses.
So I guess now it's just a waiting game. I wonder if the scanners recognize marine warnings.
Winfield, Middleton, Georgetown, and Boxford. Flash flood for Norfolk, Suffolk, South Central Essex, southeastern Midford. The heaviest rain has exited the region, and additional flooding is not expected. Please continue to heed remaining road closures.
Is KZZ40 delaying?
Flooding is not expected at 19 a.m. Doppler radar indicated thunder remaining road closures.
KZZ40 isn't delaying either. Something's going on. There it is. I tried.
The National Weather Service in Gray, Maine has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts out 25 nautical miles, waters from Cape Elizabeth, Maine to Merrimack River, Massachusetts from 25 to 40 nautical miles until 11:45 a.m. At 10:37 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located over Ipswich Bay, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar.
Ah, shut up. What now? Another one.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a special warning. York, coastal water, and Portsmouth Bay and the Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay. Ocean waters from the Merrimack River to Plymouth from 40 to 60 nautical miles offshore until 11:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 10:41 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Thatcher Island, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazards include wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves.
Why are we still on this?
Locations include Eastern Point, Massachusetts, Jeffrey's Ledge, buoy 44,098, the coastal waters east of Cape Ann, Mass Bay buoy 44,029, Sandy Bay, and Thatcher Island. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Norton has...
Even Gray was delaying their own alerts there. There you go.
Flood warning in effect until late tonight. Minor flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Shawshene River at Andover. When? Until late tonight. Impacts include at 30.0 feet. Flood waters inundate very lowest lying business parking lots off Route 114 in Lawrence and North Andover that are adjacent to the Shawshene River. At 10:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Friday, the stage was 28.0 feet. Thankful stage is 29.0 feet. Forecast: the river will rise above flood stage late this morning to 30.5 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage late this evening to 27.3 feet tomorrow morning. It will rise to 28.1 feet early Sunday afternoon. It will then fall again and remain below flood stage. Flood stage is 29.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 30.6 feet on April 1st, 2014. http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood.
Hey, that time I had it.
The National